Good evening to one and all. As per our discussion, we are discussing about the entire Python programming practical experiments to the right of the code ends of X. Okay, right. We are discussing the JNTU Kakinada R23 CSE department syllabus. Okay, in second year, the subject is Python programming to implementing the code line by line. Okay, I already completed the first experiment. After that second experiment, I did completed yesterday. Today, I am discussing about the experiment 3. Okay, experiment 3. That experiment 3 is write a program to swap means just understanding the problem statement. Okay, swap two numbers without using the temporary variable. Okay, without using the temporary variable, just split the problem statement in different parts. First one is the write a program. Okay, what he is asking, like you like that the person is want to the Python program to swap means a storing the 10 value previously, b stored the 20 value. If you assume that after using the swapping techniques, just to swap the 20 value is stored in a variable, 10 value is stored in b variable. Okay, 20 value is stored in a variable, 10 value is stored in b variable. Okay, here one of the condition is available. Okay, the condition is without using the temporary variable. Okay, very simple. Okay, very simple. I am opening the my coding environment. Here I am opening the cmd like vs code. Just directly open to folder to vs code. That command is code space dot. Okay, here I am taking the one new file exp3.py. Alright, what is the problem statement? What is the problem statement? Swapping of the two numbers. Okay, swapping of the two numbers. Just I am taking the value a equal to, just I am taking the floating values. Float of input of float of input of enter first value. Second one is the float of input of enter second value. Right, now we are taking the inputs from the user is exactly or not. Just I am checking the print statement, print a, print b. Right, now I am executing the code. Right, here I am running the my file name exp3.py. Enter first value is 100, second value is 200. Okay, right, to take the inputs from the user is exactly. Okay, with using the temporary variable, with using the temporary variables, just I am taking the one new variable temp equal to a store temp. Okay, before I am using the temporary variable. Okay, temporary variable, if a variable assigned to the temporary variable assigned to the a variable. All right, here b variable assigned to the a. All right, once again I am running the my program a10 b20. Here small mismatch, that is A having the right here small mismatch, just removing it. The A value stored in the by using the single assignment operator, that is a temporary variable. After that, A equal to B. A storing the B value. Okay. A storing the B value. Here B storing the A value. Right. Right. Now I am running my Python program. Enter first value is 20. Second value is 30. Okay, right. This is the not understanding the correct format. That's why I am using the message comma value format in output formats. Here, just print before swap of numbers, comma A comma B, after swap of the numbers, just run the again file. First value is 10. Okay, first A containing the 10 value, B containing the 20 value. Okay, before swapping the numbers equal to 20 comma 30, right? Before swapping the number equal to 10 comma 20. After swapping the number equal to swap x value is containing the a value swapping to the b value swapping to the a value, right? This is the using the temporary variable. Here I am using the third variable. Just I am commenting I am write down the single comment. Okay, which concept we are using this program by using the third variable. Okay, but in this program, in this experiment is asking the one of the another logic without using the temporary variable. Okay, without using the temporary variable means which variable we are using in previous to take the inputs from the user. Okay, which variables we are using, like in previous program I am using the a comma b, same variables using. Okay, same variables using to swap the numbers. Okay, to swap the numbers. Guys, in Python programming logic to implementing the any problem statement in different ways. Okay, different ways. Just commenting. Okay, just commenting whole program. Here I am writing the without using the temporary variable. Just a equal to sorry x equal to int of input of, okay, enter x value. Next is y equal to int of input of enter y value. Next, without using the any temporary variable, that means just using the x variable and y variable. Here x comma y equal to y comma x. That logic is multi-line assignment operator. Python having the one of the operator is single line assignment operator. Single line assignment operator symbol is single equal to multi-line assignment operator is using the to take the inputs, to take the variable by separated by commas. Same manner to implementing the, okay, to assign the values also single line. Okay, single line. Just I am using the multi-line assignment, multi-line assignment operator. Just I am printing the both values before swapping. before swapping the values x comma y, here after swapping the values, after swapping the values, right? Just run the program. The starting value is 1000, y value is 2000. Before swapping 1000 comma 2000, after swapping 2000 comma 1000. Okay, very easy to implementing the code is very easy. First you understanding the problem statement. Once you understanding the exactly problem statement, you can easily, okay, you can easily starting the code programming to complete the program. Okay, in this program I am explaining the with using the temporary variable, without using the temporary variable. Yes or no? With using the temporary variable, without using the temporary variable. Here I am using the how many lines of code? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? 4, 5. How many lines of code? 4, 5. If in case you are code optimization techniques, you can reduce the code also. Okay. See how I am code reduce the concept. Code optimization techniques. Here also by using the, okay, by using the multi-line assignment operator, right? One line is reducing the code. Before code is the 5 lines. Now the coding is only 4 lines. Now also I am executing the program. It is working is good or not. Just my input is 10, y value is 20, 10 comma 20. Yes or no? Right. This is the third experiment. Okay, this is the third experiment. If you aren't related to concept, okay, in swapping of the numbers, that is, I am already completing the my Python series. If you want any doubt, just go through the my Navya IT Solutions channel. See once and understanding the concept. Okay, before you are implementing the coding, first learn the Python concepts. Okay, okay, guys, bye bye. See you next class. Bye bye.